Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Cargo's channel, and welcome to the beautiful state of California. I have been loving it here since I moved. I've been making videos, but I feel that Slate, my E350, is being a bit neglected since we're here. So what we're gonna do today is go to Suvneer and pick up the replacement E63 side skirts, and I'm gonna attempt to install them myself. So let's see how that goes. For those of you who are not familiar with Suvneer, they're a Southern California-based company that produces and imports body panels, replacement body panels, aftermarket, and Aero parts for BMW, Mercedes, even Tesla, Porsche, Jaguar, and Ford. Now, I'll have their link down below in the description. They suddenly renamed, I believe, to Suvneer Motorsports, and are based in Chino, California. So if you ever want to pick something up, I'm pretty sure they will waive your shipping and you can come and pick it up, especially for the big parts. I think it's worthy. But do check their website in the link in the description, and let's go and pick up the side skirts. And here we go. We finally put the side skirts inside the car. Took a little bit of finagling, but I got that, and I got some sneakers thanks to Gary Lowe. Thank you for the sneakers. Now let's go home and install these bad boys on the car. Okay, so it is the next day. I have a new shirt. Yesterday I got lazy and I was busy with doing other stuff, but we have our Suvneer side skirts and the car is in the garage. So let's see if I am able to install these bad boys by myself or not, which is kind of the anticipated outcome, but if not, we'll go and ask professionals for help. First things first, let's get these out of the box and see what's inside. So here comes a big oh boy moment. I was kind of hoping they were not black, so I don't rock, as Kevin, my friend, says, a three-tone interior. But they turn out to be white, so they're not gray like the bumper. And yes, I will be rocking a three-tone interior. I really do want to paint it, but we are doing this build right here on a budget. We're only using what we get from YouTube revenue and Amazon affiliate links. So if you guys haven't clicked on any of those, click and support the channel. What I think I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try and test fit them on the car, see if they fit nice, and then we'll see. Painting is a bit expensive, but maybe we'll shed some money for it. We'll see. Alright, I just really quick want to say what I'm gonna use for this skirt takedown is this 25mm Torx pliers, knife, or a flathead screwdriver just to pry the little clips, and an 8mm, because there is an 8mm bolt right underneath there on the end of the side skirt. All the rest are 25mm Torx clips that gotta be unscrewed and pried down in the same time. Let's see if we can see them. Alright, these are the 25mm. I don't know you can see them well. And then right here is the 8mm bolt, and there are 4 of these little like pin clips, so you gotta pry them out and then pull them out. Let's get cracking. Oh, so having a lift would be better. Having a jack is not bad. I think you can do this job even without having a jack, to be honest. You just gotta be laying down very low and it's uncomfortable, but totally doable. Also, these clips are so weird. You gotta pry down on them, and in the same time unscrew them. It's probably because they're old, but it's getting an extra step of, not difficulty, but annoyance. Okay, so I put the Torx in and then pry down and unscrew in the same time until they reach a certain point, and when they reach a certain point you just pull them down. Simple, time consuming. And these are very simple. You just put the knife or a flathead underneath the little pin, pry a little bit, turn it around, pry a little bit more, and then you grab your pliers, pry it all the way, and twist them out. There they are. Now there are a bunch of clips right underneath here, and these are disconnected. So if you have a place like this that they're disconnected, you can just pull on it and they won't snap. Careful, nice firm pull, but not too hard, otherwise you may snap the clips. Here is what the clips look like. So one thing you need not forget is that you gotta transfer this hardware from the old side skirts to the new ones. It goes in this little hole, and then it clips. There you go. This part is actually really simple, and there is another clip right here. It just slides out and slides in the new skirts. It's also tough to do it with one hand, but not impossible. There we go. There we go. And there is one little piece that I forgot. This thing right here. Goes right in there. Just like that. Okay, now it's time to put this on there. One thing I really need, I feel like I have to say for these side skirts, because not all manufacturers aftermarket make these the same. These holes, I'm super surprised they fit everywhere without a problem. You don't have to bend anything, you don't have to modify anything. You just have to line them up and maybe like a gentle push for them to set in place, but other than that everything fits perfect on the car. Surprised but not surprised, because Suvneer has pretty good parts. Again, check them in the link below. Website's linked, Suvneer Motorsports. And it's that easy. Now I just have to put them everywhere and we're good. Okay, so this is the finished product. I installed both sides. One thing I didn't do is retain the clips because I don't want to break them, so they're gonna look a little bit more flush when I fix that part. But look at that, it fits great, gives the car that little panda look. And as I said, I do not want to install the clips completely because I don't want to break them. But see, I put both sides and it looks nice and flush. I really like the way this looks. I know, I can already see the comment section saying, why didn't you paint these? Well, I'm test fitting them and maybe I'll paint them, but maybe I'll rock them like this just because I like it. Tritone, you know what? They look cool nonetheless. And if you guys like today's video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for a lot more videos to come, because this car is not complete and it's gonna look so good when I'm done with it. Ding!